It's the one most important factor to success. It's your mindset. The old quote, he who thinks he can and he who thinks he can't are both right, is true. So how do you build your mindset? Start by setting your sights on something achievable. Lamborghinis are nice, but start by choosing something you feel is a challenge and be able to be accomplished. Next, set some goals to push yourself along. Nothing is more momentum building than accomplishing a small goal along the way to the big ones. It takes hard work and dedication, but by hitting milestones, you'll be able to move so much faster. Lastly, practice visualizing frequently to help you through the rough times. It's going to get hard, and you have to be prepared to face that by having an insanely clear vision on what your dream is. If you know exactly what you're shooting for and you have a plan to get it, then all it takes is action. And that's something only you can do. If you want to see more motivational content on topics just like this, go to my page and check out all my other videos.